Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home's decor, and what better way to do that than with a beautiful wreath? Whether you prefer a classic floral arrangement or something more creative, there are so many stunning options to brighten up your space. Today, we'll explore some gorgeous spring wreath ideas, from timeless greenery to modern artistic designs. Let's get started. Lavender and greenery wreath. A beautiful lavender and greenery wreath is a timeless choice. Its soft colors and delicate texture work perfectly for both spring and summer. Bright and fun vine wreath. For a cheerful look, try a vine wreath with a wooden plaque, vibrant pink, purple, and blue paper flowers, and lush greenery. Classic greenery wreath with a white bow. A simple yet elegant choice, this wreath features rich greenery tied together with a large white bow, perfect for farmhouse or rustic decor. Rustic yarn wreath with a hello banner. Add a touch of creativity with a rustic yarn wreath, complete with a playful hello banner, greenery, and soft fabric flowers. Polka dot and tulip wreath. A fun and cute option, this wreath combines polka dot accents with pink and white faux tulips and a touch of greenery. Minimalist hoop wreath with calligraphy. A simple hoop wreath with faux greenery, delicate pink and yellow blooms, and a handwritten hello sign makes a charming entryway statement. Eucalyptus and pink peony wreath. A gorgeous mix of eucalyptus and soft pink peonies makes this wreath a fresh and elegant choice for any front door. Cherry blossom wreath. Add a romantic touch to your home with a faux cherry blossom wreath. Its soft pink tones make it a perfect spring decor piece. Large hoop wreath with greenery and blooms. A modern and fresh take, this wreath features a large hoop adorned with greenery, white and pink flowers, and a charming hello sign. Lavender and eucalyptus wreath with wooden rosary. This artificial wreath blends lavender and eucalyptus with a wooden rosary for a fresh, natural look. Cherry blossom and peony wreath. A combination of cherry blossoms, peonies, and lush foliage creates a stunning wreath that truly celebrates spring. Greenery and grass wreath with seeds. For a more natural touch, consider a wreath made of greenery, soft grasses, and tiny seed accents for a fresh and modern look. Simple pale greenery and pink blooms wreath. A minimalist option with pale greenery, soft pink blooms, and a neutral ribbon bow adds a subtle yet elegant charm. Vine Wreath with calligraphy and blush flowers. This chic wreath features a vine base, handwritten calligraphy, and a mix of pink and blush flowers with soft greenery. Lush pink and white floral wreath. A stunning arrangement of artificial pink flowers, accented with white blooms and greenery, makes for a long-lasting and vibrant display. Minimalist hoop wreath with white branches. If you love a clean and modern look, this simple hoop wreath with faux greenery and white branches is a great option. Fern and artificial bloom hoop wreath. A creative and modern approach, this wreath features a hoop design with ferns and artificial flowers for a fresh, airy feel. Bova wooden bead wreath with greenery and blush glooms. For a bohemian touch, try a wreath made of wooden beads, soft greenery, blush-colored flowers, and a pink ribbon bow. Modern hoop wreath with large blooms. This easy-to-create modern wreath features artificial foliage and oversized floral accents for a bold spring statement. Oversized floral hoop wreath. A gorgeous mix of blush pink and red oversized blooms with greenery makes this modern floral wreath a standout piece for spring or summer. Spring wreaths are a beautiful way to refresh your home and welcome the season with style. Whether you love traditional floral designs or modern alternatives, there's a perfect wreath for every space. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal decorating ideas. Thanks for watching.